Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Somesh. In this video, I am going to explain time and work related problems. This is part 2 video. Okay, if anyone missing part 1, link is mentioned in description. Okay, so these problems are little complicated, generally asked in DRDO, RRB, TCS, NQT, CAT and other competitive exams. Okay, first problem. 12 men and 16 boys can do a piece of work in 5 days. 13 men and 24 boys can do the same work in 4 days. Compare the daily work done by a man with the done by a boy. So here compare the ratio. So this is different model. So in this problem, 12 men and 16 boys can do a work in 5 days. So 1 day work is 1 by 5. 12 men and 16 boys can do a piece of work in 1 day is 1 by 5. So to complete the work within 1 day, how many people are required? Simple cross multiplication. 5 into 12, 60 men plus 16 into 5, 80 boys are required to complete the work within 1 day. Similarly, 13 men and 24 boys can do the same work in 4 days. So within 1 day, they complete 1 by 4th work. So by simple cross multiplication, 14 into 13, 52 men plus 4 into 24, 96. 4 into 13, 52 plus 24 into 4, 96. Boys are required to complete complete the entire work in 1 day. So compare these two equations. 60m plus 80b, 80 boys, is equal to 52m plus 96 boys. So 60m minus 52m, that is equal to 8 men. 96 boys minus 80 boys, that is equal to 16 boys. So man by boy is equal to 16 by 8, that is equal to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. So option B is the correct answer. Second problem. X can do the job in 10 days, Y in 15 days, Z in 18 days. Y and Z begin the work but have to leave after 3 days. How many days will X takes to finish the job? So how to solve this problem? X complete the job in 10 days. Y 15 days. Y takes 15 days. Z 18 days. Z 18 days. So here question is, just observe the question. Y and Z begin the work but have to leave after 3 days. How many days will X take to finish the job? So Y and Z 1 day work is, Y 1 day work is 1 by 15. Y can complete a piece of work within 1 day is 1 by 15. X 1 day work is 1 by 18. So Y and Z 1 day work is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 18. So LCM is 90. So 15 6, 90, 18 5s. So 11 by 90. Y and Z 1 day work is 11 by 90. But in this question, Y and Z stay up to 3 days. Y and Z begin the work but have to leave after 3 days. So we have to calculate 3 days work of Y and Z. 3 days work of Y and Z. So 3 into 11 by 19, that is equal to 11 by 13. 11 by 13. So what about the remaining work? Remaining work is equal to, here work is 1 unit, and after 3 days 11 by 30 work completed. 11 by 30 work is completed. So remaining work is 19 by 30. Simple LCM 30. 30 minus 11, 19. 19 by 30. Okay, remaining work. But X completed the work within 10 days. But X 1 day work is 1 by 10 days. 1 by 10 days. So time taken by the X to complete, time taken by the X to complete 19 by 30th work. So here X complete the work, entire work in 10 days. Okay, entire work. How many days X will take to complete the work? 19 by 30. So simple multiplication, 19 by 30 into 10. So answer is 19 by 3. So 19 by 3 is the answer. So here there is no 19 by 3. 19 by 3 means simply 57 by 9 is the answer. 57 by is the answer. Next, question number 3. 10 men and 12 children complete a certain piece of work in 10 days. Each child takes thrice the time taken by a man to complete the work. The time taken by 12 men to finish the same work is. This is somewhat difficult. Just observe the logic. 10 men and 12 children complete a certain piece of work in 10 days. Okay. Here, the important clue is each child takes thrice the time taken by a man to complete the work. That means 3 childs equal to 1 man. So, the given data, 10 men and 12 children complete the work in 10 days. In 10 days. Okay. And another clue is 3 children equal to 1 man. Just observe this second sentence of the third problem. Each child takes a thrice the time taken by a man to complete the work. That means 3 children equal to 1 man. Time taken by 12 men to finish the same work. So, here E 3 children is equal to 1 man. So, 12 children is equal to simply 4 mans. Equal to 4 mans. So, that means 10 man plus 4 man, that is equal to 14 man, takes 10 days to complete the work. Okay. So, if manpower is only 12, that means time taken by 12 man to finish the same work. Manpower is 12. How many days to take to complete the entire work? That is the question. Okay. So, here 14 man complete the 10 days. Work done is equal to man 14 into days 10. So total work is equal to 140. But here available only 12 man. 12 man. And how many days to complete the entire work? Entire work is 140. Simply 140 divided by 12. 140 divided by 12 is equal to 11.66. Okay. So 11.66 is the answer. Okay. 12 tens 120, 12 11s 132. So 11.6 days is the answer. So 11.66, option A is the answer. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 4. 5 men and 8 women can do a job in 8 days. Can do a job in 8 days. While 4 men and 16 women can do it in 10 days. How many days will 10 women take to finish the job? So just observe. 5 men and 8 women can do a job in 8 days. 4 men and 6 women can do it in 10 days. How many days will 10 women take to finish the job? Okay. So here assume x is equal to man and y is equal to woman. Okay. 5 men and 8 women complete the work in 8 days. So one day work is 1 by 8. Similarly, 4 men and 6 women can complete the work in 10 days. So one day they complete the work in 1 by 10. So simple cross multiplication, get 40x plus 64y is equal to 1. Here also simple cross multiplication. So 40x plus 60y is equal to 1. So just observe the question. How many days will 10 women take to finish the job? So by solving these two equations, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus. Simply this is 0 and 40x cancel. We'll get 4y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. What is y? One woman's 1 day work. One woman's 1 day work. That means women have not done any amount of work. So women never complete the work. That is the answer. Okay. So next question. So here none of this option 4 is the correct answer for fourth problem. Option D. So last problem, fifth problem. A can do a job in 10 days, B can do in 12 days, and C can do in 15 days. All begin together, but A leaves the work after 2 days and B leaves the 3 days before the work is finished. How long did the work last? Option number A 5 days, option number B 9 days, option number C 4 days, option number D 7 days. Okay, we'll solve. Let the job completed in X days. Job completed in X days. So here only C remains from the start to finish. Only C. So C worked for X days. That means C worked for X days. A worked for 2 days. B worked for X minus 3 days. Just observe this sentence. B leaves 3 days before the work is finished. That means B worked for X minus 3 days. Okay. So here A work done is A in the given question. A can do the job in 10 days, B 12 days, C 15 days. So A 1 day work is 1 by 10. 2 days work is 2 into 1 by 10, simply 2 by 10. Okay. B work is X minus 3 by 10. C is X by 15. That means C takes x days, B takes x minus 3 days. Okay, sorry, here B x minus 3 by 12. The given question, B can do the in 12 days. So x minus 3 by 12. C in 15 days. So x by 15. A can do a job in 10 days. So x 2 by 10. Why? Because A leaves the work after 2 days. B leaves 3 days before the work. That's why x minus 3 by 1. So question is, what is the question? How long did the work last? So we have to solve this equation. 2 by 10, 2 by 10 plus x minus 3 by 12 plus x by 15 is equal to 1. Here work done is equal to 1 unit. Okay, right? X is total number of days. Only C is start to finish the work. So LCM is 60, 6 to 12 and 5 into x minus 3 and plus 4x is equal to 1. So 12 plus 5x minus 15 plus 4x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 60 plus 15 minus 12. So x is equal to 5x plus 4x. Sorry, 5x plus 4x, that is equal to 9x. This is 5x, this is 4x. 60 plus 15 minus 12. 75 minus 12, that is equal to 9x is equal to 63. So x is equal to 63 by 9, that is equal to 7 days. 7 days. So in this way, problems are asked in CAT, GATE, TCS, NQT, RRB and other competitive exams. In part 3, I will discuss other models. Thank you all.